హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వీఆర్ ఇన్ పునే ఎయిర్పోర్ట్. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారబ్బా అనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే ఇంకెందుకు లేట్, చూసేయండి.
ట్రైన్ అంట. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లైట్.
మా బంగారు తల్లి ఆరోహికి 2 years 11 months ఏజ్ ఉన్నప్పుడే ఇండియా బుక్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డు వచ్చింది. ఇంకా మా చిట్టి తల్లికి ఢిల్లీలో ఫెల్ స్టేషన్ చేయడానికి ఇన్విటేషన్ వచ్చాక పుణే నుండి ఢిల్లీకి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయాం. అదన్నమాట సంగతి. ఇంకా పుణే నుండి ఢిల్లీకి వెళ్ళిపోదామా? ఇంకా ఢిల్లీ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ కి రీచ్ అయిపోయాం. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ అయితే మస్తుంది. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ పక్కనే మెట్రో స్టేషన్. ఇంకా రెడీ అయిపోయి ఫెల్ స్టేషన్ వెన్యూకి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయాం.
మమ్మీ, పాపా, ఆరోహి.
మేమైతే మస్త్ ఎగ్జైటెడ్ గా ఉన్నాం. మా ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ కి తగ్గట్టే మేము అక్కడికి రీచ్ అవ్వగానే వాళ్ళ వెల్కమ్ కూడా అదిరిపోయిందంతే. ఇలా వాళ్ళ రిసీవింగ్ కి ఫిదా అయిపోయాం. ఇంకా లోపలికి వెళ్ళి చూసేద్దామా?
The main reason behind this convocation is to unite everyone, because you all are from different backgrounds, different cultures, right? And you have different languages. So you all are come under one roof, that is called India Book of Records.
ये रिकॉर्ड बुक देश दुनिया में जाता है और आपके जो वीडियोज हैं वो भी जाते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी एक डिस्कनेक्ट है. डिस्कनेक्ट इसलिए क्योंकि आपके जो अचीवमेंट्स हैं वो अचीवमेंट क्लोजली
ఇలా మాకు వెల్కమ్ అడ్రస్ చేసి ఆఫీస్ అంతా చూపించి ఇప్పుడు అస్సలైన కథ షురు అన్నమాట. ఇంకా సన్మానాలు, స్పీచ్లు తగ్గేదేలే. ఇక్కడ చూసిండ్రా మా బిడ్డ ఆరోహి రికార్డ్ హోల్డర్స్ మధ్య అట్లా చూస్తుంటే మా ఆనందానికి హద్దు లేవింకా.
बाहर पूछ रहे मेरे को, how did you make this possible? If you spend at least 1 hour with your kids in entire day, this will possible definitely. Because nowadays everybody, they became addicted to mobile phones, laptops and everything. Digital detox होना चाहिए कंपलसरी हमारे लाइफ में. तो आप आपका किड्स के ऊपर ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा अप्रिसिएशंस भी देख सकते. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thanks a lot. Shabashiya, 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 Shabashiya.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Rautula is sleeping right now.
Yes,
so
Rautula.
Rautula.
Yeah, Rautla.
Rautula.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for
Yeah,
pronouncing it. And tell me something about her achievement.
Okay. Ma'am, her name is Arohi.
Okay.
Actually, the motivation to apply this Indian Book of Record is like, ma'am, her uniqueness actually, her uniqueness and her early accomplishments. In whatever she will do, ma'am, quickly she will learn the things. Like if you say something for the first time only, she will learn quickly. She will learn the curiosity of learning something. So that is quickly, ma'am. So that I observed. At the age of 2 years 5 months.
Okay. 6 months back then.
Yeah, 6 months back I observed, ma'am. One day what happened, ma'am, सोने के टाइम पे हम गाना गाते हैं ना जनरली. So ऐसा different गाना गाती मैंने. So suddenly what happened, ma'am, one day she has given back to the song to me. मतलब वो मेरे के लिए गाना गाया. It is exactly the not same pronunciation, but the singing style style is the same, and the words also she tried almost 3 to 4 lines.
That's very
Yeah.
good.
It's at the age of 2 years 5 months, ma'am. That I observed. Not only the one reason, ma'am. When we work in the kitchen, if I show the lighter, yeah, this is lighter, this is burner, this is glass, whatever the thing, ma'am. If I say for the first time, then she will remind, and again she will only tell to me back.
Quick learner.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
means.
yeah. Quick learner. Whatever the things she is learning quickly. So I observed. What I have done, ma'am, I have given a proper training for 2 to 3 months.
Okay.
Means something useful we have to teach to her.
Right.
So what I had done, the pura Indian famous personalities, who are the Indian famous personalities, Abdul Kalam, Lata
Okay.
Mangeshkar, the total things I taught her, and pura freedom fighters उनको पता है. So and body parts, Indian. She can tell all the Indian states and union territories, ma'am, by
Wow.
seeing in
It's
map.
very nice.
Yeah. Now she can tell Gayatri Mantra also.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
So you must have told her.
Yeah, yeah.
You must have taught
Yes,
her
yes,
actually.
Yes, yes.
Every day while sleeping, she used to sing a song of
Different.
yeah, Gayatri Mantra or anything,
Mm-hmm.
and by that she used to learn one by one. So like that, after a few days, she used to sing out.
Okay.
उनका IQ लेवल देखने में हमको क्या पता चला, जो है वो सीख रहे, वो यूजफुल होगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा ये यंगर एज में.
हाँ.
So उस टाइम मेरे को पता चला इंडियन बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड है ऐसा रिकॉर्ड होल्डर्स के लिए.
That's good.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that we have applied for this record, and we are very much we are feeling very much proud for this, ma'am. At this tender age, even she don't know the meaning of the record holder, but she got the
But she
record.
got it.
Yes.
Yes. Actually क्या होता है, इस बच्चे को तो अभी नहीं मालूम, but as parents you must be knowing this thing कि how prestigious is this
Yes.
award.
Very much
So,
proud.
Of
Okay.
course, we are also proud to have a kid like that. What challenges did you face when you were preparing for this record?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for this wonderful question. Because, ma'am, I am working as a manager in Union Bank of India. It is a nationalized bank.
Mhm.
He is a software engineer in MNC Tech Mahindra.
Okay.
We both are working, ma'am. And being a working woman, it is very tough, ma'am. It is very tough and very hard to teach something, to spend time with the kids. This is very tough. I have faced the challenges like we should be more patient, ma'am. Because kids वो एज में मैम उनको पता नहीं होता है, एक दिन में हमको केवल 10 मिनट देते.
Right.
वो 10 मिनट कब देते, हम उनके ऊपर नजर देना है, कब देते वो 10 मिनट. बहुत ऐसा नजर देख के मैम पूरा थक हो गए. मतलब एक दिन 24 आवर्स में एक 10 मिनट के लिए इतना हम मतलब उनको सिखाते, एग्जैक्टली वीडियो का टाइम पे उन्होंने हमको नहीं देते.
ये तो exactly होता ही है.
हाँ, होता है. तो टू अप्लाई टू दिस सच platforms, what it is called, proof should be there, ma'am. Proof should be there. So for that reason also I faced many challenges like that. She should support and we should be more patient. This is the main challenge I have faced, ma'am. Sometimes during weekends, ma'am, even we have done our brushing also at the time at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Because after teaching, after shooting, and that shoot also to get proper only. After getting proper shoot only, we have to do our works. We can do our works. So that is the thing, ma'am. We are facing these kind of challenges.
So we can say it's quality over quantity, isn't it? You gave her qualitative time, and that proved that she has done her best. I think we would love to see some more things about her whenever she grows up, and within 1 or 2 years we would love to hear from you.
Definitely.
Exactly, ma'am. This is just her life beginning.
This is just starting.
This is just a start.
She's just 3
now.
years old.
Now she became famous in her school.
Exactly. People.
They have posted in their Instagram, Facebook, and everything, and they have posted one big photo on the notice board.
That's good.
Social media.
Social media also.
That impact you have got after
Yes.
getting the record from Mahindra.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly, ma'am. She became famous and he became famous.
Yeah, all the school parents and teachers were asking about this. How she got that record? What you have done? How did you learn? And some parents, children send to our home.
They are sending their children to our home.
And her age is just 3 years. She don't know how to say and how can she teach to that other.
Of course. It's wonderful thing.
Yeah, we felt very much happy on that day.
Because of this, what will happen, ma'am? The confidence will gain in us and in her also. By after 1-2 years, she will become know that she is a record holder in Indian Book of Record. And before that also, of course, we will apply for other records also. And in Indian Book of Record also for other record, because ma'am, now I am teaching classical dance to her. I started teaching classical dance because I am a Kuchipudi dancer.
Okay.
Yeah, and she started learning Namaskar, basic steps and all. And ma'am, she know Gayatri Mantra. She can tell who is President of India, Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
This is my next level, ma'am. After this record, we started teaching all those things, and now she is learning Chief Ministers and Prime Minister, President of India.
That's very nice. Amazing. I think she's just 3 years old and she's doing wonders. So we would like to thanks on behalf of IBR. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank you
giving
so
this
much,
opportunity.
ma'am. It's our privilege to visit this convocation program actually because वांटेडली मतलब क्या है convocation program में क्या है, वो क्या देते, क्या करते, सम्मान करते क्या और क्या देते और कुछ what I expected, ma'am, exactly here it has happened because for next level the proper guidance we need, ma'am.
Of course.
The proper guidance we need. And here, after coming here, I came to know that this Indian Book of Record is also having connections with the Asia Book of Record, Vietnam Book of Record and everything. So we are very much surprised by knowing all these things now.
Okay, it's India Book of Records.
India Book of Record, yes.
So next time we will see that Ravtula will be doing wonders with ABR also.
Yes,
Asia
yes,
Book of Records.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you so much for
Thanks a
coming
lot.
here.
Thanks a
Thank
lot,
you.
ma'am.
అద్ది లెక్క శెబ్బాష్రా బిడ్డ, నా బంగారు తల్లి ఆరోహి. ఈ రోజు మా ఫ్యామిలీ వాళ్ళందరికీ చాలా చాలా ప్రౌడ్ మూమెంట్. మా కళ్ళల్లో నుండి ఆనంద బాష్పాలు, మా మనసంతా సంతోషంతో నిండిపోయింది. ఇలాగే మా చిట్టి తల్లి ముందు ముందు ఇంకా మరెన్నో విజయాలు సాధించాలని, మీ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ మా పాపకి ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ ఇప్పటి వరకు చూసినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.
Hi everyone, please like and subscribe Harika the Banker YouTube channel, and it is specifically for financial awareness and kids activities. So do subscribe and do like. Thank you.
Please like, subscribe and share this video with all others at Harika the Banker.
Harika the Banker channel, YouTube channel, which is specially dedicated to financial and kids activities. Thank you.